On this channel, I'll be teaching you the most easiest way, most fun way for you to learn Mandarin Chinese. Yeah, now, let's start learning. Buckle up. Hello everyone. Welcome to lesson 15 of Mandarin Chinese. Today, we continue learning about the famous trees found in South Africa. A buffalo thorn tree is called 水牛刺树。水牛刺树。水牛刺树。A yellow wood tree is called 黄木树。黄木树。黄木树。A lala palm tree is called 拉拉棕榈树。拉拉棕榈树。拉拉棕榈树。An umbrella tree is called 伞刺树。伞刺树。伞刺树。A baobab tree is called 猴面包树。猴面包树。猴面包树。Now, let's review the words again. 水牛刺树。黄木树。拉拉棕榈树。伞刺树。猴面包树。This is the end of today's lesson. Please remember to like, share, comment, and also to click the subscribe and notification button. See you next time. Goodbye.